Cebu floods caused by human activity. Issue. Cebu has experienced increasingly severe floods in recent years, causing property damage, displacements, and loss of lives. While some may blame natural rainfall, evidence shows that human activities such as illegal logging, improper waste disposal, and uncontrolled urban development have worsened flooding. The issue is whether human activity is the main cause of Cebu's floods. Claim. Human activities are the primary cause of Cebu recurring floods, and immediate action is needed to prevent further disease. Yes. Argument. Number one, deforestation and illegal logging reduce the, the land's ability to absorb water, increasing flood risk. Number two, poor waste management floods rivers and drainage system, causing water to overflow. Number three, rapid urbanization and construction in flood-prone areas prevent natural water flow, worsening flood impact. Evidence. Students from Philippines Amos, atmospheric, geophysical, and astronomical service administration pag-asa showed that areas with deforestation experience 40% more self-flooding. Local news reports in Cebu document reverse lodge with plastic waste, leading to floods in barangay every rainy season. Urban flamers warn that construction in low-lying areas disrupts drainage, making floods and more frequent and damage. Counter-argument. Some people claim that floods are purely caused by natural heavy rainfall and typhoon, not by human actions. Rebuttal. While natural rainfall contributes to floods, proper forest management, waste disposal, and urban planning can prevent a risk, including human negligence manifest. The impact of natural disaster.